Have you ever wondered how a chandelier is made? Imagine the intricate dance of light and shadow, the shimmering play of crystals, metals, and glass, all coming together in a symphony of elegance. That's the art of chandelier creation. It's not just about assembling components, it's about creating a masterpiece that can transform a room. The materials used in chandelier creation are as diverse as the designs themselves. Crystals, the heart of many chandeliers, capture and refract light in 1,000 different ways. Metals, whether polished brass or brushed nickel, provide the structure and the strength. And don't forget about glass. Its transparency and adaptability make it an essential ingredient in many designs. But it's the craftsmanship, the precision that truly brings a chandelier to life. Each piece meticulously chosen, each connection carefully made. It's a process that demands patience, skill, and an eye for beauty. Now let's take a closer look at the process of creating a chandelier. The creation of a chandelier begins with a design. This design phase is where the magic starts to happen. Our designers start with a blank canvas, armed with nothing but their artistic creativity and a pencil. They sketch out ideas, playing with different shapes, sizes, and styles. It's a process of trial and error, of refining and redefining until they hit upon a concept that strikes the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Then, it's time to bring that sketch to life. Using state-of-the-art software, the designers create a three-dimensional model of the chandelier. This digital model is crucial as it allows them to visualize how the chandelier will look from every angle. It's also when they consider the practicalities, the size of the chandelier, its weight, how the light will refract through the crystals. Every detail matters. The design phase is all about envisioning the final product, about creating a piece of art that is as functional as it is beautiful. Once the design is finalized, it's time for the actual construction to begin. The construction of a chandelier is a meticulous process that requires a lot of patience and precision. Let's delve into this intricate process. It all starts with the creation of the metal frame. This is the backbone of the chandelier, the part that holds it all together. Skilled artisans use materials like iron, brass, or bronze and shape them into the desired design. Whether it's a classic teardrop shape or a more contemporary geometric design, the frame is the first step towards bringing the chandelier to life. Once the frame is complete, it's time to adorn it with the sparkle we all associate with chandeliers, the crystals or glass pieces. This is a delicate task that requires a steady hand and an eagle eye for detail. Each crystal or glass piece is carefully attached to the frame, usually by hand, in a predetermined pattern. The arrangement can vary greatly depending on the style of the chandelier, from a simple row of crystals to a complex, cascading waterfall of light. But the chandelier is not just about aesthetics. It needs to function as a light source too. This is where the electrical components come into play. The wiring and light fixtures are expertly installed within the frame, ensuring that the chandelier will not only look beautiful, but also light up a room effectively. Quality control is an integral part of the construction phase. Each chandelier is subjected to rigorous testing to ensure it meets high standards. The frame is checked for stability, the crystals or glass pieces for their secure attachment, and the electrical components for their proper functioning. This is a crucial step to guarantee the chandelier's longevity and safety. After hours of painstaking work, the chandelier is finally ready to be installed. This isn't just the creation of a decorative piece, it's the crafting of a functional work of art, a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who bring these magnificent light fixtures to life. The construction phase is a journey of patience, precision, and passion, culminating in a chandelier that is nothing short of a masterpiece. The final step in the process is the installation of the chandelier. Now, this is where our journey nears its end, but not without its own set of challenges. The chandelier, a piece of art in itself, needs careful handling during transportation to prevent any damage. Once on site, it's time for the installation. This involves securing the chandelier to the ceiling with the utmost precision. The fixture's weight and dimensions are taken into account to ensure it hangs perfectly. Safety, as always, is paramount. The chandelier is then connected to the power supply, bringing it to life. But we're not done just yet. The final touches are what truly transform the chandelier from a mere light fixture into a dazzling centerpiece. This involves meticulous cleaning to ensure each crystal sparkles, and careful adjusting to make sure the chandelier catches the light just right. And there you have it, a beautiful, sparkling chandelier, ready to illuminate any space with its brilliance. Chandelier creation is truly a blend of art and engineering. We've journeyed through the intricate design phase, witnessed the skilled construction process, and beheld the final installation with its breathtaking touches. Each stage is a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into every single crystal, wire, and bulb. So, next time you see a chandelier, remember the meticulous process behind its creation. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of chandeliers.